Hello, people of YouTube, national version and international version. For the international people, willkommen, welcome, bienvenidos, and so on and so forth. Well, today I'm doing this, which is part of this. You can see there here, formula. It's a very, very small letters. I don't have the measurement here, but it's about, let's say, about 1.5 inches tall letters. So they're kind of tricky. The smaller, the trickier. But that's not what I wanted to show you in this video. What I wanted to show you is something very different. First of all, I wanted to show you this, because I rescued my records. Not that I rescue, I mean I brought them from obscurity. My old records, I bought all these records and I had more, but they disappeared through the years. This is one of them. What year? 1973. This is another one. What year? 1970. And this is another one. And another one. Jethro Tull, John Mayall, Santana, Neil Diamond, John Lennon, Tomita. Tomita is a Japanese musician. Keith Emerson, Chicago, Jimi Hendrix. These are all original. I bought them when they came out. And these do not have a cover. The Yardbirds. Original also. From a long time ago. B.B. King and London. Blood, Sweat and Tears. Fleetwood Mac. Jethro Tull. Another Chicago. Birds of Fire. Mahavishnu Orchestra. Santana Caravanserai. Another Tomita. Herb Alpert and the Tijuana Brass. And one of my favorite pianists, Roger Williams. So, and why this thing? Why? Because I used to have a lot more, but some were stolen. Some were stolen, and I don't know what happened. I had about 3 times more records than those. Those are the survivors of the millennia. But I wanted to show you why. But I have to take you to where I have the, or should I bring it over? I'll just bring it over. I got me a record player. Well, this is a Christmas present. It's not a fancy turntable, one of those beautiful, fancy. But it's a gift from my granddaughter. So it's very valuable to me. She thought of me, you know, and she gave me a turntable. Not only that, she gave me something else. I'll bring it. So I'm showing you all my Christmas presents. This is the other thing that my granddaughter gave me, coffee cup. And it says here, to the best grandpa of the world. And this is, my wife gave me this one. Draca. And the reason my wife gave me this one was because when I met her, I was 19, she was 17. I used this cologne when I met her. So she gave me this so I can use it again. I started using it for, you know, I didn't use it, but now she wants me to use it so she can remember when we met. I was 21, I was 19, she was 17. Now I'm 72 and she is 70. So how about that? So this is the turntable. And I've got here a record, Stephen Stills. Stephen Stills was one of the Crosby, Stills, Nash and Young group. So I'm going to put it here. And you know, YouTube doesn't want you to put music without having the copyrights. So I'm going to risk it here. Just so you can hear. I'm going to connect this turntable to a better sound system. But for now, I'll just put this one. It's going down very slowly. That's the end of the song. So this is the one that I like.
Drawn to a flame, she is far away, out of reach. Will she burn her wings? I can only watch, out of touch.
Or go get me a cup of coffee.
Out of my mind. Wish I could tell if she's alright, feeling fine. Lucky for me, I'm not a jealous man. Out of hand, out of my mind.
Okay. I think that's enough for this song. Black Queen, Cherokee, We Are Not Helpless, and so on and so forth. You know, I don't know if anybody would be interested in knowing what I got for Christmas. I'm the type of person that will keep things forever. I have things that have been with me for many, many years. And these things I'm going to keep maybe 50 years from now, I'll still have them. So I'll put this away. I just wanted to show you this. And well, today is December 30th. Tomorrow is the last day of the year. And you could say I made it. I made it to the year 2026. I remember when it was 1965, long time ago, and I remember there was a show on Channel 8, it was CBS. There were only 3 channels, CBS, ABC, and NBC. And this show that I liked very much, it was called The 21st Century.
Home of the 21st century. What will it be like? How will we choose to live in the next 30 years? We might fill our home with furniture like this, our beds, paper. Our home may be lighted by electricity from fuel cells and the wood and leather of today replaced by chromium and plastic. Our favorite easy chair might be inflatable, like a huge balloon. The kitchen of tomorrow could look more like a laboratory than a place to bake a cake. Advanced technology already has begun to find a place in the home. With new developments in food preservation, a meal might be stored for years and then cooked in seconds under a barrage of high-energy radio waves.
The guy that was on the show, the host of the show was a guy named Walter Cronkite. And the show was about what would come in the year, when the 21st century came. So 1965, I think it was 1965. It was still a long ways, the year 2000. And in the show, he showed a lot of the new stuff that was going to come. Electronic computers and a lot of stuff. And I like to watch that show because I like to imagine what the year 2000 is going to bring, and mostly in technological advances. And now I'm at the year 2026. And to me, this is the future. I'm living the future that I dreamed about. Flying colors, We're already colonized or colonized Mars and the moon. Humans are living in the moon. Humans are living in Mars. Space travel is a thing of every day. Every day. That's what I saw on the show. The 21st century. By the year 2026, we'll have people living in the moon and Mars. We have flying cars. People won't have to work so much. You'll spend more time in your house with your family. The world was going to be, like a dream world. And this is what we're living right now, a dream world. Okay, so let's keep on working. The 21st century. The other thing that I remember was electric cars. Those are already on the road and stuff like that. So I'll stop the video here and I'll continue when I finish this. On the next video I'll show you how this came out. I don't remember if I already did a video of this, so I may be repeating stuff, but well, that's the way it is. That's the way it is. December 30th, 2026. That's the way Walter Cronkite used to say on his news broadcast that I used to watch almost every day. I think he said that. That's the way it is, or something similar. Okay, thank you. I'll see you on the next one.